Good morning and Jan to all of you. So, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So, today we will continue our same chapter, that is more about keyboard part 3. So, let's start more about keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It consists of numbers of buttons known as keys. We type by pressing on the keys to enter the information and the instruction into a computer. So students, a keyboard is an input device and it is used for typing numbers, letter and the symbols. You have understood that the things. So there are different type of keys on a keyboard to perform different tasks. So in the previous class, you learned about the alphabet keys, number keys and arrow keys. Now let us know about more keys. So students, let's start with the more keys. So this is a picture of a different type of keys. You can see in the picture the special character key, function key, alphabet key, arrow key, special key and the number keys. There are the different type of keys on a keyboard. So now today we will learn about the more keys. The first of all, special keys. Special keys are the keys that are used for specific tasks. Let us learn about more some commonly used special keys. So the first one is space bar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, shift key and the function key. These are the special keys. In this chapter we will learn about these keys. So first is space bar key. The space bar key is used to add blank space between letters, words or numbers. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. So this is a space bar key. So students, learn some more example. We can know about the how to work the space bar key. So students, which is a longest key at the bottom of the keyboard? So that is space bar key. It is the longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give the blank space between letters or words while typing. So student, the next is enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard and the enter keys can be of different shapes. You can see in the picture there are the different shapes. Enter keys are available. So students, what are these two big keys which have enter written on them? So they are the enter keys. They are located at two places in the keyboard. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing. Now let's start with the backspace key. This key works like an eraser. Every time you press this key, a character on the left side of the cursor is erased. So students, this is a backspace key. So let's give an example how to work the backspace key on your computer. So pressing this key, erase any type of text on the side of left side of cursor. So for example, to correct the spelling of computer instead of computer, take the cursor after letter you want to delete or erase. After O, Now press the backspace key to erase and type E in this place. So this way you can erase the spelling of computer. So now next is a delete key. This key also works like an eraser, and every time you press this key, a character on the right side of the cursor is erased. It is similar to the backspace key, but some little bit difference between the backspace key and the delete key. So let's give an example how to work the backspace key. So pressing this key erase any type of text on the right side of the cursor. For example, if you type COMPUTOR instead of COMPUTER, you need to correct spelling. Take the cursor just before O and press the delete key to erase O and type E in the place. You can correct the typing mistake. So next is a shift key. The shift key is always used along with another key. There are two shift keys on a keyboard. A shift key is used to type letters in capital. Press the alphabet key A. The letter A, small a, appear on the monitor. Now press and hold the shift key and press the alphabet key A. So the letter A appear on the monitor. It means capital letter A, it will be appear on the monitor. So now let's know about the how to work the shift key. The shift key is used to combination with other keys. Any letter typed shift key pressed display the capital letters when caps lock is off. And at the last of the function key, there are 12 function key that start from 1 to 12. Function key, when used with special keys such as Control, Shift and the Alt key, act as shortcut to many frequently used commands. It means the function key is used with the special keys like Control key, Shift key and the Alt key. Okay, then ये shortcut keys का use होता है on your keyboard. Okay, now they are the functional
What are these
keys.
keys on top of
The
the
functional
keyboard?
keys are marked
They are
from
named from
F1 to F12.
F12.
They are used to
the
perform
functional keys.
special
They are
jobs
used to
on your
perform special jobs.
computer. So
What
student,
are the-
I hope all of you understood that the today's topic, the special keys. So there are the 6 type of special keys. The first one is space key, space bar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, shift key and the functional key. So I hope all of you understood that the special keys. So thank you. And Jen and all of you, stay home, stay healthy. So thank you and have a nice day.